Hello, this is Classic Cars of Palm Beach, located in Jupiter, Florida. This is a quick walk around condition video on this 2016 Honda HR-V with 84,000 miles. We make these videos for our customers that are online buying or out-of-state buyers that cannot come into the dealership and inspect these vehicles before they make a decision to buy it. So I'll be pointing out any little flaw on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and start with the headlights. These headlights look pretty nice. This is the passenger side, driver side. Driver side front bumper has a scuff right there. It's got a scuff. Just seen a scuff. Oh, there it is. You guys see it right there? Small little scuff there. Clear coat is chipping here on the driver's side front fender. Let's look at the hood. A couple rock chips there. Very tiny little rock chips. Not sure if the camera can pick that up, but there's a couple of them there. It's a nice size dent there. Size of like a quarter. And one right there. Small little dent. See anything on this side of the bumper? Doesn't look like it. Looks pretty good. I'll also be showing the rims and tires on this car. Again, we're just looking for any little imperfection. Showing wear and tear on this 2016 model. A couple little scratches, little things here and there. Tail lights look good, not cracked or anything. A little bit of paint fade here on the rear hatch part. Ooh, lots of fading here on the spoiler. Alright. Yeah, like I said, we're not in the business to hide anything or, say how clean the car is and perfect. And then, you buy a car and it arrives at your house and start finding all these little imperfections. We like to be straight right out of the gate. Overall, it looks very good. I also like to show the top of the steering wheel there, like wear places. Dash looks good. Seats look really good. Smells good in here too. It doesn't smell like a smoker's car or a car that had pets in it or anything like that. I mean, I don't know if they had pets in it, but it sure doesn't smell like, that pet smell. If you have pets, you can understand me. I have 3. This one doesn't smell like pets. Show you the rear of this car. Looks pretty good back here. Do we get a spare tire? Let's see. Oh, but you get a jack. Let's see. Oh, you do get a tire. Nice. I hate how the new cars, you don't get tires anymore. This 2016 does. If you have any other questions or would like to see something more specific on this car, please call us 561-529-3101. Classic Cars of Palm Beach in Jupiter, Florida. We ship nationwide and transact online. Thank you.